Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the US History EOC. First, familiarize yourself with the exam's structure, including question types and the historical periods it covers. Next, develop a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times each day or week for review. It's crucial to pinpoint which historical eras or topics you find most challenging so you can focus your efforts effectively. This foundational step ensures you approach your preparation strategically and efficiently. To effectively review content, focus on major historical events, influential figures, and core concepts. Flashcards are an excellent tool for memorizing important dates, acts, and vocabulary terms. Don't just memorize facts. Strive to understand the connections between events, recognizing their causes and long-term effects. For instance, consider how economic policies influence social movements. This deeper understanding will help you analyze complex questions. Practice is vital for success. Work through released EOC questions and take full-length practice tests under timed conditions. When you review your practice tests, don't just look at the correct answers. Analyze why your incorrect answers were wrong. This helps you identify patterns in your errors. On test day, manage your time wisely, perhaps allocating about 1 minute per multiple-choice question to ensure you complete the exam. As the exam approaches, prioritize getting sufficient rest and eating a nutritious meal. On test day, trust in the hard work you've put in and maintain a calm, focused mindset. Remember to read each question carefully before selecting your answer. For more study resources and other great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the description below this video. Good luck, you've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.